Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joyce McTeer, and welcome to another video. All praises. Thank you, Father, for another wonderful and amazing year. Happy 2026, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video today, I am going to be pretty much I'm showing you a stand. This is the stand that I use to This is the stand I use to put my earrings on, the ones that I have finished. Some of these earrings are for sale. They are in my shop, and some of them are not. So I want to count how many pair of earrings, because I have some on the front and the back. So let's see how many pair of earrings I have on here. Now, some of these earrings that you see, I have done tutorials on for those of you who are interested. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is the very first pair of earrings that I took off. And this is what and how these are made. Now I'm going to say a little bit about these. These earrings are definitely for sale, okay? They are made with fabric, wood, and aluminum wire. For those of you who are interested in purchasing these, you can find these right now in my shop, in my Etsy shop. They are available. And I also have a tutorial on how to recreate this bottom portion of the earring. So if you're interested in learning how to make these, I have a tutorial. If you want to purchase these are available. They are in my shop, okay? So this is the first pair. Place those there. These earrings right here are not for sale. They are not in my shop. This is an actual tutorial. I did a tutorial on showing the beautiful ladies and gentlemen how I make and create these earrings. Of course, you have some yarn, you have some fabric, you have some wood beads. These two little bracelets I purchased from the Dollar Tree, if I'm not mistaken. And then you have your buttons and of course your fish hooks. So this is also a tutorial that I did showing you all how I made and created these, okay? So that's the second pair. These earrings right here are for sale. They are available. They are in my shop. I do, once again, have a tutorial on how to make and create these beautiful bag. Like, they look like a little small bag to me. Earrings, okay? This is the front. This is the back. And these earrings are available. I have a tutorial on how to make these exactly, I believe, the same print, okay? I sewed a pair. I did this tutorial some years ago, so it's got to be about 3, 4, 5 years old, all right? So if you're looking for this tutorial, it's somewhere in my archives. You really have to look for it. I'm trying to remember what it's called, but if you want to learn how to make these, I have a tutorial, all right? Okay, so this pair right here is, I believe these may be for sale, but I'm not sure if they are still in my shop or not. I remember putting them in there, but when you are with Etsy, they give you a certain amount of time. If they don't sell within that time, they go into a different category. But anyway, if you're interested in learning how to make and create this portion of the earring, I have a members exclusive idea membership that you can join for $12.99 a month. And in that membership, it's going to teach you how to make and create this design right here. Not the painting part, but this wire wrapping part here up at the top. Now, if you decide to join that membership, when you get in that membership, when you first get in there, you're going to have a lot of videos. Okay, it's a lot of videos in there for you to learn how to make and create different designs, okay? Different, unique designs. You're going to get in there. When you sign up, you're going to love it. You're going to enjoy it. It is going to be well worth it, okay? And it is also going to heighten and spark your creativity, all right? And I'm talking about the membership. So these pair here, I'm wondering if these are for sale. I'm not really sure if they're in my shop or not. But anyway, so that's pair number 4. So these earrings right here is a pair of earrings that I decided to wire wrap. I got on this kick where I was making and creating and making and creating and making and creating these earrings and wire wrapping these earrings. These, I believe that they are at my shop. I believe that they are available and they are for sale. So if you're interested, go and check them out, purchase them, okay? And this will be item number 5. Item number 6 is another pair of those wire wrapped inspired earrings. I just so fell in love with this. I fell in love with making and creating these wire wrap designs. I believe these are in my shop. For those of you who are interested, they are available, okay? These were made using copper wire. So that is number 6. Number 7, let me get to this. Now, number 7 is definitely a tutorial. I did a tutorial on these. I don't know if it was last year or year before last. It may have been year before last. I did a tutorial on these yarn earrings. These are not in my shop, but for those of you who are interested and you would like to know how I made and created these, I do have a tutorial on these earrings, okay? These, believe it or not, these are fun to me. Like when I say fun, they are definitely fun. All right, they're fun. I really enjoyed making and creating these. And like I said, for those of you who are interested in learning how to do this, once again, I have a tutorial. So, but these are not available. I mean, I don't have these in my shop. And that is number 7. Number 8 is another wire wrapped pair of earrings that I decided to do. And that would be these right here. These are made using copper wire. And this is the whole earring. This is how it looks. They have copper wire fish hooks. Just some designs that I decided to do. A lot of this stuff I created like during the summertime. So, and I believe these are available. They are for sale in my shop. My Etsy link is down in my bio. So that is number 8. Number 9 are these right here. Now these earrings, I created these earrings when I was making my cuffs. And so these are available. They are for sale. And I don't know if you all remember the cuff. Let me show y'all what I mean. This does not go with this, but I was making these cuffs right here. And this doesn't go with this. But, I decided to make these earrings. And these are red jasper gemstones. Okay, copper wire. And these are also for sale, and they are also available. Okay, now My last pair that I'm going to show y'all is going to be number 10. And I'm only doing 10 because I don't really want this video to be too long. So this is number 10. Whoops. These are some leather earrings that I created. These earrings got a lot of controversy. And what I mean by that is a lot of people was wondering if they were heavy. I got a lot of question on these earrings. And I believe these are in my shop. I believe they are available. These earrings are not heavy, okay? They are not lightweight, but they are not heavy. I try not to make, I'm gonna say try not to make earrings that are too heavy for anyone's ears. I don't wear anything, if it's too heavy for me, then I know it is going to be too heavy for that next person. So I would never make something like that, okay? I try to make very fashionable and stylish jewelry. So these, I believe, are available. And I still got a little ways to go with clearing this off. So as soon as I clear this off, this is number 10. I'm going to come back. This is going to be a part 2. All right. And I want to say thank y'all so much for taking out the time to watch, listen, share for those of you who share. And they got this new thing now where you hype videos for those of you who hype. I greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate it. Y'all have a wonderful and amazing day, and thank the Father for allowing us to see a brand new year. So with that being said, y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. And until my next upload, please don't forget to thumbs up. Peace and blessings. See ya.